so many people in my comments that just haven't been told dust mites are even a thing. Like, there's dust mites in your bed, right? It's not super terrible, but I mean, it's not good if you have an allergy. So to all of you who think you are allergic to the morning time and you wake up sneezing and snotting and grossness, it's not you, my love. It's them nasty dust mites in your bed. And I am here to save all the people who have been told to stop sneezing like it's not involuntary, that we can sleep on something else other than cotton so we don't wake up feeling like in the morning. So here are my top 10 reasons why dust mites suck. It will be a series, so this is just number 1. I'm going to start with the basic one. If you have asthma and allergies, dust mites make them worse. Maybe not the mite themselves, but when they poop on your pillowcases and you inhale it, it messes up your sinuses and your airways. I know, I went through it. And if you would just get them out of your bed, love, you will wake up feeling so much better. I wake up breathing clearly. I wake up feeling better. I wake up actually with more energy. Listen, they gotta go. My quick fix was getting a silk pillowcase. And then I went OD and did the whole bed. But I started with the pillowcase first.